Three types of waves are formed by an earthquake. They're all generated at the same time, but they move at different speeds. Because of this, people who live far enough away from an earthquake feel each wave separately, although they may not know it. Slinkies are great at modeling the first two types of waves. If you have a slinky, definitely try this at home. P waves have a together, apart, or push-pull type motion. Because they move in a straight line, they're the fastest and arrive first. Here we can see that an area of the slinky that is being pushed together at one moment is quickly pulled apart, so this is a P wave.
Before you even know, love is blind and you're far too kind. Don't ever let it show.
S waves are the second fastest. If you choose a single point along the slinky, you can see that it just moves back and forth. This is how an S wave moves.
I knew what I know now. When I was stronger, the can such a pretty show to steal your heart away. The backstage back on.
The third type of wave is a surface wave. These are the slowest, but the most dangerous and cause a lot of shaking. They have a rolling type motion. This is difficult to do with a slinky, but Molly's mastered it with her arms. This video was taken by a security camera at a Costa Rican supermarket. Can you pick out the three types of waves?
When you wanna live, you get a cheek, makes you wonder where you are. If you want some more, then she's fast asleep, keeps you twinkling with the stars. For a young grandson, there's nothing
The P wave rattles the shelves a bit.
to learn, just like me.
Then the S and surface waves arrive, creating the real damage and quite a mess.